Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well and I hope life is treating you okay. I'm going to be doing a fashion haul for you. Now, I promised this video probably about a month ago. The mic's quite far away from me, so I apologize. So I posted a haul a few weeks ago and the plan was to post this haul really soon after that one. But to be honest, I just felt like it was a lot of buy, spend. I felt like we needed to talk about some other things. It's been a few weeks and I feel like I'm ready to share a few other purchases that I made at the beginning of self-isolation. I actually haven't bought any clothes since, but I did an order of spring, summer, clothes, dresses, loads and loads of florals in spring, groundbreaking. And then just loads of loungewear because I've been living in loungewear or like really nice outfits, there's no in between. Everything is from BOOHOO, MISGUIDED and NASTYGAL, I believe. There might be a couple of other brands kind of scattered in there, but yeah, a really affordable haul. I hope you like some of the bits. Everything is linked down below in the order that I show you in. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like hauls. And don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know which your favorite item from this haul is. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Okay, I'm gonna start with the day wear, like the dresses and the kind of outdoor clothes, and then I'll show you guys the loungewear pieces at the end. You're very loud, sir. Very loud indeed. The elephant in the room is this incredible dress. You'll see in the cutaways a bit better, but this dress is absolutely divine, like super gorgeous. It was from NASTYGAL. It is like so beautiful. This color is everything. You guys know I love green. There's a lot of green in this haul. It's giving me like bohemian, Mother Earth vibes and I just love it. So let me show you it on. Excuse the pile of clothes. Here is the first dress, which I will have to say is my favorite thing in this haul. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a little slit and these sleeves. Honestly, just everything about it. The color, even the back is gorgeous. This is just such a massive win in my eyes. This is literally me in a dress. I love it. I love it so much. Next, I have a body. This is also from NASTYGAL and it is a one-sleeved kind of organza. Organza? Is that the right word? Organza? I think so. Organza sleeve body. It's off the shoulder and then it's got this gorgeous bow and this sheer balloon sleeve. Honestly, a lot of my clothes, I have quite a lot of like nice top. Filming YouTube videos, you guys see this much of me. You don't see what I'm wearing on the bottom. I wear trackies all the time, but it's nice for me to have like a wide selection of tops to wear, and I thought this one was super sexy and cool and would be great when we're eventually allowed to hit the club. This, a red lip, maybe like your hair to one side. Thought it was a vibe. Love that. Here is the little one-sleeved organza extravaganza. It's got that lovely little bow on the shoulder, which I love. I also like that the side that is out is the side with my tattoo. I very much enjoy that. Give her her moment to shine. I think this is great. I don't really have much to say about it. I really like it. All right, we got another dress. I believe this was also from NASTYGAL. And it's this cute kind of, I don't know, milkmaid dress. This blue and white pinstripe. And it's like a tiered midi dress. For reference, I'm a size 8 to 10 and I'm 5'3.5", 5'4", if you need size reference. And I'm sorry, you can see my bra. I thought this was sweet, kind of elasticated waist, something light, like picnic weather kind of dress when we're allowed to have picnics. It's really, really light and soft, and I thought it would be great for just also chilling around your house. These dresses are super comfortable, but they look glam as hell, but it's just a plissé dream. Okay, here is the next dress. Technically, probably not the most flattering one for me. It's got like a kind of open back, which is quite cute. It's sweet. I think it maybe needs like a cool belt or something to toughen it up a little bit. I do feel a little bit like I'm wearing a nightie, but it is cute. I don't know. What do we think? How do we feel? Speaking of comfort, this little dress from NASTYGAL is a little kind of funnel neck, little high neck, soft sky baby blue maxi dress or midi with a slit and a tie waist. Again, super soft pastel blue, a lovely spring color, and it's a t-shirt dress. It feels like a baggy t-shirt. It's so comfortable to wear. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I have massively slipped into living in like activewear and pajamas all day every day, and I am trying to make more of an effort to get dressed in nice outfits that I feel inspired in every day. So I've found maxi dresses, floaty dresses are great because they feel so comfortable and light, but they look really put together. Yes, I thought this was cute. Here is my little blue midi dress. I just tied the little bow at the back. Nice little high slits. I really love the high neck at the top. I love the color. I love the length of the sleeves. I think this is a really sweet dress. It's also extremely soft. Again, I would not be wearing black pants with it though, but what can you do, eh? What can you do? And then similarly to that, this is actually from Misguided. I just got a giant maxi t-shirt dress in white. I thought with a belt cinched around the waist and some biker boots, I thought this would just be a really simple, cool look. With a leather jacket, you could make this daytime, nighttime, appropriate, whatever. There's not a lot I can say about it. This is what it looks like on. All right, here is the t-shirt dress, which I really like. You can see my pants because I'm wearing black pants, which I wouldn't wear. But for like an everyday throw on look, I think it's really cute, and I would wear it with probably a big belt, give it a little bit of shape. It does exactly what it says on the tin. We've got some more green and we got some more floral. It's this gorgeous kind of puffy sleeved green midi dress. Got these little pink and white flowers on it. Back is ruched, and then it comes down to a super floaty midi dress with little slit. I love a slit. You can show a little bit of leg. Again, great for like summer parties, garden parties, but again, just also chilling in your house, sitting in your own garden and adhering to the government's safety laws currently. We have got another bohemian dream here. So it's got a lovely square neck. It's kind of like a corset detail almost, so really flattering on the waist. We've got a little bit of leg and it just fits like a glove. I love these sleeves, I love this color, I love this pattern, I love the length, and it is crazy comfortable. It's just perfect to chuck on a summer's day if you're staying in or going out, and it's really light. Oh, I love it. We got another little dress from Misguided. This is quite different for me. It's a little fitted kind of bodycon with this lovely ditzy pink, blue and white floral pattern on it, and it's kind of like a high-low but to the side, so it's got a really exaggerated slit just on one side, and then the other side comes down to a maxi. It's got little spaghetti straps, double on the front and then like a crossover at the back. Day, night, you could put a t-shirt underneath it. Thought it was a sweet little dress. From the get-go, probably not the most flattering dress on me. It's extremely short and very fitted on this side, and then obviously like longer on this side. For a night out, clubbing, it could be quite cute, but I don't know, I feel like dancing in it, I'd find it a bit annoying that one of my legs was out. Do you know what I mean? Like I feel off kilter, like a bit off balance. I'm not gonna lie to you, when I first bought these trousers, they were slightly too tight. And now, having been in isolation for 5 weeks and knowing I've gained some weight, I don't think these are gonna fit me. But we'll still try them on for you. Fingers crossed these fit. I'm also on my period, so the bloating is real. It's a great day to film a try-on haul. Really good. These trousers are so me. I love them. They are a houndstooth check. They have like a red, black with a blue stitching running through. They are really nice and high-waisted, just little cigarette trousers, and I thought these would be great for any like normal day, you know, wear them with a baggy t-shirt, tuck it in, whatever, but also with like a shirt, with a bodysuit. You could make this quite smart. You could make these work appropriate when we're allowed to go back to work. The only problem with these is they were quite loose on my waist but tight on my bum and thighs. I could get away with it, but I don't know, I'd like to go up a size, but I feel like if I go up a size they'll be even bigger on my waist. The try-ons will tell. Let's see. These trousers, Whew, that was a real battle getting these on. As you can see, I can barely walk. These are tight as hell. I can't believe I managed to do them up, to be honest with you. These aren't my size. These are definitely a little bit too small. But like I said, they're a bit loose around the waist, but just crazy tight on my thighs. So unfortunately these can't stay. But I just love them. I really like how they look. Okay, next we have another little NASTYGAL dress. NASTYGAL is absolutely killing it with dresses at the minute. And it's another kind of green floral number. Cute little puffy short sleeves. It's high neck, which I really like loads of shades of green with pops of purple. And then it comes in at the waist and it's just a little skater skirt. It's like a wrap skirt, you know? It's got a big old slit in the side. And I thought that this would look great with knee-high boots. They would look great with sandals. You could wear this in so many different ways with a little denim jacket, just like going shopping with some trainers. That sounds nice right out of this bra. This haul is definitely making me wish I'd fake tanned my legs. This is so short. Like, you can literally see my pants when I move basically at all. This isn't the most flattering shape on me. It's making me look really like broad, which I am quite broad. So it's just making me look more broad. But it's just how high this slit comes up, because it comes from here, like you can literally see my vagina. I love the pattern, but the thing is I'm 5'3" and a bit, like I'm not tall. So honestly, you'd need to be like 5 foot to be able to wear this. This is a little cropped denim jacket with balloon sleeves. I really like this. I like the shape of it, and I love double denim. Jacket and jeans. I don't know why it gets so much hate. I think it's a really cool look with just like a plain white t-shirt. So I wanted a cropped denim jacket to go with my high-waisted jeans. So you can, I don't know, I feel like when I wear my oversized denim jacket on top of my jeans, you lose your shape. Whereas this comes in at your waist, and I just think it gives you that hourglass shape. And I think it's a little bit different than other ones because it's got that cool balloon sleeve. All right, here is our little crop denim jacket. I think it's really cute. I love the sleeves. I love where it falls. My high-waisted jeans probably falls at the same place that this ends, which is exactly what I wanted. And it also kind of pinches in at the back, so it just cinches in your waist, which I like. I wouldn't wear it with this dress, but it's just what I threw on top of it. Yeah, that's a win. I like that. The last dress before we move on to loungewear is again from NASTYGAL. It is this beautiful dress. I love this a lot. So it's a little ruched high neck, which you guys know I love. I have a few dresses in the similar kind of silhouette to this. Little ruched sleeves, little cuffs, balloon sleeves, and it's got lovely pink flowers on this gorgeous like ivory base. And again, it ruches in at the waist, nice and flattering, and then it is just a floaty midi dress. I just think this is stunning, perfect for this time of year. Bung it on and walk around your house and feel like a goddess that only your mirror or your partner gets to see. This dress fits me like a glove. Look how gorgeous this is. I love it. I want to wear this every day. I would wear this with sandals, or I'd wear it with biker boots and a leather jacket in the winter. Like, I love this, and it's really kind of muted, which is why I say I'd wear it in the winter as well. This is contending with the green, the first green dress, to be honest, with my favorite. Those are the dresses and kind of outdoor, indoor wear. This is now my comfy, cozy, casual haul. Misguided actually does a lot of my favorite kind of cozy wear, because they just bring out really good, comfy, oversized shapes, and then they just bung it in loads of different colors. So I picked up 2 pairs of their leggings, literally plain high-waisted leggings. They say Misguided on them, and I got them in this teal color, as well as also, because this is me we're talking about and I haven't shown anything in this color yet, I picked them also up in the lilac, because this is the color of my season, of my year so far. I love pastel lilac, so I picked these up to bung underneath baggy t-shirts. I also can do like my yoga in them, because they're kind of like leggings, you know. Okay, here are the teal blue little high-waisted leggings. They're just comfortable, They just feel kind of like gym leggings, to be honest. I really like how they fit and I like the colour a lot. And then here they are in lilac. These are so see-through. Oh my god. Maybe not ones to wear out the house. But yeah, for lounging, I mean, who cares? I don't care if Tim sees my panties. You will have seen me, I've been living in these. I love Misguided's trackies. They are so soft and comfy, fleecy yumminess on the inside, and they're really oversized and baggy, and they come in at the ankle. Okay, so here are the trackies, the light purple ones from Misguided. You would have seen me wear these so much. I'm literally wearing them like every day at the moment. They're so comfortable. They've got fake tan stains on them. This is real life. They give me a nappy butt, but that's okay. They're just great. So I got them in the soft lilac, and then, oh, these are different. I thought they were the same. They're not. I then got a pair in grey, and these are the 90s oversized jogger. I haven't actually tried these on yet. They're really big though. Those ones. Thank you, whoever fixed that. Oh my god. Okay, so here are the oversized 90s trackies. They are very big, but they are, of course, unbelievably comfortable. They're not really meant to be flattering though, are they? Like, they're trackies. I like the colour. This is what my hauls have come to, you guys. Next, I have got, you saw me talk about this in the weekly vlog. I've got a pair of peach joggers with, it comes with a matching crop top, and it's this lovely shade of peach, really cozy, soft. The bottoms are like fluffy and warm, and this is a little bit lighter, which I like. So I feel like I'm in my loungewear, but I don't feel like a slob because it's like a matching set, you know? So yeah, loads of you were asking me about this. So it's from Misguided and it's linked down below. This is my favourite outfit in the whole haul. I just love this set. They're so comfortable. They're really baggy, really soft, and also surprisingly flattering, which is hilarious. So I'm not going to raise my arms because my boob is here and I'm not wearing a bra anymore. I took it off because loungewear is not made to be worn with a bra. I was about to raise my arm. It was super, super inexpensive because both parts come together. Right now, brown, brown, over me. Brown, 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 brown. Anyway, I've got this little matching set, also from NASTYGAL. NASTYGAL's killing it, and it is this kind of knitted, cropped hoodie. I wore this a few vlogs back, and loads of you are asking me about it. So it's this little cropped knitted hoodie, and then it comes with the, again, matching little high-waisted trousers, and they're really comfortable, and this one is like a cute little outfit. Like, Tim says that he likes this one. You get out your pajamas, you put on a different pair of loungewear, and you're still comfortable, but you did the act of getting changed. I think that does wonders. Onto the little NASTYGAL set. I really, really like this set as well. Got the little hood there. These are super high-waisted, again, very see-through. Feel like a lot of loungewear is though. It's just a comfortable, kind of cute, wouldn't be ashamed to answer the door type look. That's my standard. And then finally, the last thing is from BOOHOO, and it's just a little cropped grey hoodie, which, believe it or not, I didn't own a cropped grey hoodie or a grey hoodie full stop. So I decided I needed one. It's just a simple grey hoodie with a really soft, fuzzy inner lining, a hoodie. And finally, just a grey hoodie. Not got a lot to say about this. This is now what I'm going to stay in to edit the video we're currently filming and you're currently watching. I'm going to go and edit it right now, but I'm very comfortable. So there you go, you guys. That is all of the stuff that I've recently picked up. I say recently, it was about a month ago. Don't forget to let me know which your favourite item is down below. Which one would you wear? And everything is linked down below in the description box if you'd like to check any of them out for yourselves. If you're new, please do make sure you subscribe. I'd love to have you join us, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have the best day and stay safe, and I will see you on Thursday. I'll see you on Thursday. Bye!